India's Aditya-L1 mission has successfully reached the Lagrange Point 1 after a 125-day journey, marking a significant achievement for ISRO. Positioned to observe the Sun without obstructions, the Solar Observatory aims to study the chromosphere, corona, and solar phenomena. Prime Minister Modi congratulated ISRO, emphasizing India's prowess in space exploration, adding another milestone to their achievements like Chandrayaan and Mangalyaan. Trending on X, the mission marks a significant milestone for space exploration.
Form like an egg. So in this new orbit it has to be placed, it has to be very precisely put. If you don't do the correction today, it will escape from this point. Okay, we will not allow it to escape if it cannot happen. There are some contingencies, but I am only telling mathematically it can escape. So that has been very precisely done. Ultimately what we achieved today is exact placement based on our measurement and very correct prediction of the velocity requirement. The computer decided to cut off at the accelerometer based cutoff has happened. So right now it is at in our calculation this is the right place. But we are going to monitor for next few hours to see whether it is at the right place. Then if it is slightly drifted, we may have to do a little bit of correction. And we don't expect that to happen. See, the scientific aspect of this particular mission has already been well described because it is going to look at the solar coronal mass ejection, CME. Basically using a primary instrument called the BELC, which is developed by Indian Institute of Astrophysics. And this will look at the corona part of the Sun, almost 3 times its diameter, distance away. And corroborating that, there will be other measurements, which is again by a payload called SUIT, which is going to look at the entire disk of the Sun in ultraviolet in various frequency bands, which is already images we have already put out in the website. We also have particle measurements in what is coming out of the Sun by the payload called the PAPA. Then we also have X-ray measurements, which is in low energy and high energy X-ray measurements.